Finally, guys, this is the watch. I'm sorry I had to wait too long for unboxing my watch because I didn't have time at all. So now you can have a look at limited edition Bruce Lee Seiko watch. So I got it from Watch House in Mall of Emirates. Yes, it's not paid at, so don't worry. I might increase the speed a little bit, it's too slow. I'm taking my time with the box. The box is really beautiful. See, I'm not gonna wear it. It's too nice, too nice. I know in the video you might not be able to see it very clearly, but it's amazing watch. It's just amazing. It's perfect for me, who's been Bruce Lee's fan since 3 years old. This is the best thing I can get. As you can see, it's based on Jeet can do. As long as enjoy. Finally,